Hi, I'm Ian from Team 276C, and we just got our pneumatics set. Let's see what's inside. This is the air tank. It can hold 70 milliliters of air, and there are 2 in the kit. This is the air pump. This end connects to the air tank, and this is the signal wire. It connects to the solenoid. There are 4 4-pitch stroke pneumatic cylinders and 4 2-pitch stroke pneumatic cylinders. The 4-pitch and 2-pitch here means how far the cylinder can extend. There are 2 pneumatic solenoids in the kit. On one side there is a port to connect with the air pump. On the other side is a port to connect with the brain. For airflow, there is 2 groups of heads that can be connected with the air tank and the pneumatic cylinders. There is 1 roll of tubing in the kit. The outer diameter is 4 millimeters and the inner diameter is around 1.5 millimeters. The last thing in the kit is a box of fittings. There are 10 T fittings and 10 straight fittings. That's everything in the box. I will play with it and share how it goes. Thanks for watching.